Kakra me kwa mama no so na me ne eye lawyer Kwame Adofo eni nkomo lawyer Martin.
Yenya.
Na lawyer boko de.
Me ho ye pa na mo so.
Nyame adom. Ye di nkomo bebre LGBTQ+ emre if parliament. Yeah now man panyin hwe ani mo say beba abeda ne pono so na obe decide whether you sign or not. Enra the secretary de letter by warning year parliament say wo mo hwe no manfa krata sa amfa amre no naso letter what will be na who let say
nana the chow no ma chow tifo mahu letter no na me who ye design me who ya na say they will tear say say or tries to communicate to the clerk of parliament whether how or pass no any kwano no anya kwano no it's a different story Machie Honorable Haruna make a commentary on it, and I think he's got some important points I'll make here because the president communicates with parliament normally no Onua na eso sign. And in this case now, one sign, it appears as if somebody else is rather communicating with Parliament. It's really my main Honorable Haruna as a nation.
Right, but as a constitutional lawyer, we are asking, say, Eneya Assembly Abba. Now, pay interpretation. Now we are a bit confused. Does the Supreme Court has any locus in interpreting a bill, and now they interpret law?
Aye, well, yeah, the answer is straightforward. The answer is no. But once somebody goes to court, you and I, we don't have the right to say that not only a frivolous and therefore it will be thrown out. I mean, kind of a say, obedi, as some courta, the shy who's as a way, it should be any. In a so be any. And you're hopeless. It is what you do to be. But I'm rather say, we have to allow the person to go to court and let the court tell him, send a case in your useless, frivolous, and vexatious. And who need for so be? I'm going to say, and I'm not what you mentioned. Now, what's the documents from court? Minister, what's the no in Yazubia any? Minister, what's the useless? Minister, what's the no? I am quite accept. But I'm going to say, especially it's a rule injunction. It's not up to me. I'm if it's the water no step is it's up to the court to decide. And it's just a woman pet. I have to halt it. Even though we say I'm not to say it's not even up to me as a lawyer, and I say your lawyer. It's up to the court. I said, not court to decide. Unfortunately, that's the state of the law.
Right. And the chairman penny in Sasha answer. Then there will be an interpretation according to Emma. Let me ask this again.
Yes.
The letter that was written by Yera Santibedietu asking Parliament not to send the bill to him because Asemsa ewo court no. As a lawyer, he being a lawyer, what do you make of it?
And I mean, you say, Nana, ordinarily, nobody can stop a law which has been validly passed by Parliament. If the Parliament passes a law, would mean stop law? No. That's the ordinary situation. You can't stop it. Until say court and go Supreme Court. That's Supreme Court. Like I said, this law is invalid. The Supreme Court on Canada, all of us, including the parliamentarians on passing laws, have to obey and respect that law. That is the ordinary situation. Now, situation I want to say, your party bill, any law. You can't even go to Supreme Court and say you want to stop it. Unfortunately, somebody has gone to Supreme Court. You know me, everything concluded in the end, no. Supreme Court may even throw it away. That's everything I do. I'm not allowed to even draw a final conclusion because whatever I said is before a court. I'm not supposed to conclude.
Of course.
But we may form a view, say, maybe I be any. But Nipa Nanya court. A Honda Mrafu for say, the Nipa Nanya the back court near Servo, they are. The only idea. No Sebi I am quite Sebi said, who do the Nyasobiani? Sebi is a waste of time, no? She break. My young court, no? In Casa, no? In Sisubia. It is a did and I saw the court. Stand up, they say. And he did, there's all the matter court.
And Tina. Meeting.
But what the correct position of the law, they say. Until Emrana Bayejuma, and it's signed by a president. Put in court on it because it's not yet a law. So what did the mechanism?
Yes.
Never will be the court there. A Honda court to say. When you're there, Banadia, Fanidi Maye. Namaye woman can't say, I'm running your papa. Never when you are wanting to triumph here.
Would you say this letter is needless?
Well, that's a political statement you want me to make. So, if you want me to put my legal hat on the side,
I put it on the side. Because both, Onua your lawyer, who your lawyer, you can put your. That's what I'm asking. Do you think it's needless?
Well, I'm saying for political reasons, or the buy say, or more my aware say. The president has been served through his lawyer, and as the existing position of the law, okay, just say, even if you know the case is useless, Kubrick. The judge said he was trying to bring it to the attention of the clerk of the house, but while president, you see, conversely, we shall not head the other side. While a co-president, there will be political pressure on the president to sign. That's what they make.
Yeah.
And also, person say, so didn't need the court in tea. Can so kakra and
one political pressure. No. How can I ya? On pen on Timon, hello, fancy.
Because there's no political pressure. Meanwhile, so didn't need the Emma court.
Right,
Debbie. Council, ironically, Obibeka say, I don't know if we should call it conflict of interest or whatever. During the year levy, the same issue is here. Emma, Ebinumo de court, President Yineni assented to the bill, Emma Yemra.
Yes.
Now, in the case of this, the president is, as a president,
a double standard, not conflict of interest.
Thank you, double standard. So, President, I say, why you very, very keen, say, episode 10 year court, the Becca Ediafa way home. What is the pending issue that the president is afraid of?
And I can just say, who is my on the side, on area. This my catch the case in the end. But because we have a certain level of understanding from the law, let's say, as a quarter, I'm not supposed to express openly what the outcome will be. And may you restrain in telling you say the assembly, you see, and as I say, so what the can say, but the next one I catch to say, nobody can stop a law which has been validly passed and signed until the Supreme Court pronounces the law is invalid. So what the can say? And then from there, you draw your own conclusion as to what will happen to this one.
Matem na wasi anapay say unya bre na oni yedi nkomo lawyer Kwame Adofo e na ote ne nka no nyamisha. Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,